What's up, boys? John Funded. Another back testing video. I'm gonna let my boy Woo go because I gotta lock in. And yeah, so we have a little, we have new information for you guys. I made a whole new checklist myself, and I'll see it. All right. Andrew gave me a checklist, which is obviously a dub. He gave me a checklist. Let me go ahead and. I'm high key. Here, hold on. Notes. Put in my notes app. Okay, can I get my notes app up here? Alright, I just don't have any tabs. That's lovely. Let me see some here. Bang. I can get my notes app. Continue. Bang. Okay, now I transfer this on this side. No. So why can it not come over to my side? FX replay. I can't bring this over for some reason. That's just great, I guess. Alright, whatever. Looks like I'm just looking at it on my phone. Sounds about right. Alright, let's jump right in. We have... Alright, we're on June 2nd, 2025. So far, May was really unprofitable. Not too good. But I'm not stressing. No need to fear. Alright. Wait, we're in July? I thought we were in June. Yeah, we're in June, dude. What? Monday, 2nd June. 2025. What is going on? Monday, the 2nd June 25. Damn. Alright, 10 a.m. news. Alright, let's see what ES can look like for us. Then we have Asia highs up here. Alright. So let's go to our checklist. Alright, clear high time frame bias. Do we clearly want to go? Let's see. Looks like we are pushing bullish. We did sell off a little bit. Hourly, bullish, bullish. Looks like price wants to do what? Continue higher. So I have a bullish bias for today. We do have 10 a.m. news and we have FOMC. I guess speak. So let's see how that affects the market. Immediately market open, we just bull run. We still have good draws to the upside. See if price just wants to bull run through all this bullshit. I'm not even surprised. Price just bull ran. That just leaves us in like the shitter, bro. Like we just manipulated all these draws and liquidity. See if price wants to reverse. Looks like we are getting a little reversal here. We're inside this 5-minute gap. We do have good draws to the downside. Alright, there's our 5-minute. We inverse the 5-minute on ES. If we get a little retracement here. Close below the lows. Okay, there's 10 a.m. news. Okay. A little retrace. We're looking really good for shorts here. Now I want like a 1-minute conf. Alright, we're just dicking around at this point. No trades. No trades. now Tuesday. No. Tuesday, 10 a.m. June 3rd. Do have this 4-hour high, which is probably gonna get manipulated. Okay, yeah. I'm gonna mark that bullshit out anyways. Did I take my creatine today? Shit. Nah, I don't think I did. Nah, I don't think I did. Alright, I gotta take my creatine after this. Hey Siri, set a timer for 20 minutes. Alright, hopefully I remember that. Alright, what was it? No news Tuesday? No, we have 10 a.m. news on Tuesday. Looks like price is just printing bullish. We're kind of just pumping. So we could completely fill this 4-hour imbalance to the upside. What is this? This is a session high, but at the end of the day here, okay. See if price wants to flip. Okay. We could go long here. Target what? This, ooh, it's a 30-minute high though. We just manipulated this high too. I'm gonna stay patient. Alright, okay. Price obviously wants to continue higher by the looks of it. Price is just printing bullish. We're bullish on the higher time frames. So let's break this down. Clear high time frame bias. If not, 5 minutes align. Yes. Clear high time frame bias is bullish. Liquidity sweep on higher time frame, low time frame, or fair value gap fill manipulations towards a strong draw. We did manipulate a draw to the upside. A 4-hour high to the upside. So that's not good in our favor, if I'm going to be honest. And we inverse this 5-minute gap. Yeah, I don't want to go long. So, great pull. Let's see if price wants to flip. This is straight chop work. So we had the right idea. Take out this draw, but this is straight chop work. Yeah, this is straight buns. No trades. Why is PA being difficult, guys? Bro, my entire video was paused, bro. Are you kidding me? Alright, anyways. Entire video was paused as usual. We lost on Wednesday. Let's break down this trade. So price did do a bunch of chop work. And then we broke to the upside in that 5-minute, 15-minute inverse, 5-minute retrace. Completely filled this 5-minute gap. And then 1-minute break. And then 1-minute inverse. Both indexes are aligned. So let's break down the checklist. Clear higher time frame bias. Yes. Price want to continue higher. We have tons of confluence for that. Liquidity sweep. Yes. Took out these 30-minute lows and data lows. 5-minute change of yes. 5-minute retrace, yes. 1-minute confirmation on both indexes, yes. Chop work, no. Price obviously want to continue higher. CPR, NFP, or FOMC, no. So this was a great setup. That's so bogus that my video is paused. It's whatever. You guys didn't miss anything anyways. So now we're on Friday, 8:30 news. Yoink. 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 we just manipulated this high. Potential bearish SMT here. Don't really have any reason for us to continue higher, honestly. Guess 4-hour high. See if any like hourly highs do we have in our direction. Yes, we do have this. Okay. But we do have some good draws of liquidity upside, but with a potential bearish SMT. Overall, price looks pretty bullish, in my opinion. I wouldn't be surprised if price wants to continue higher. This is a 30-minute. This is data lows. Okay. Let's see what price wants to do for today. These draws are extremely far away. I wouldn't be surprised if price wants to reverse and then continue lower. Okay. Breaking out here. So what would price want to target? Fill this hourly? I'm about to fill it anyways. Jesus, bro. We don't have shit. We have nothing to the upside. So like, why are we setting up for longs? Okay. Like, what would we have? Target 30-minute imbalance. One to 4, target the 30-minute imbalance, and then target this 4-hour high. All right, let's break it down. Clear higher time frame bias. Yes, bullish, bullish, bullish. Liquidity sweep on the higher time frame, low time frame, or 5 value gap fill manipulation towards a strong draw. We just filled this gap. 5-minute change of order flow. 5-minute change or 5-minute high priced in. I don't really know what that means, but 1-minute confirmation, yes. Chop work, no. So I'm gonna take this. Is that a gap? No. Just inverse this gap, broke to the upside. Hold on. We could low-key set first TP. Could set a TP right here. What is this? 0.5. What would this even be considered? A 5-minute high? Yeah, I'll do it. Why not? Like, what the fuck? Alright, price didn't manipulate anything. That's what I need to work on. Price didn't manipulate any, oh my days, any draws of liquid, and I was targeting targeting 30-minute imbalance, which honestly isn't that smart when price is just bull. No, price, honestly that's smart when that's my draw of liquid. Did have 4-hour high. Hour high past that. We were over extended bullish. Also did have confluence, but once again, no manipulation. Alright. I think I'm cracking down on why I'm losing. Alright. I'm gonna see you next to the video. I'm out of here. Peace.